Hi guys, welcome back to another helpful video. Today we are featuring the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max, and this guide will walk you through how to fix the ear speaker issue during calls. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's get started.